Don't let this happen to your coneflower. Did you know that you can get a lot more blooms? When they start looking like this, really consider to start just chopping their heads off. I was a little late, I forgot about these, now they've turned to seed, which is fine, you'll feed the finches, but I want more flowers like I did right here, and there's one developing right there. I'm coming in and I'm deadheading these, but I'm not throwing the heads away, I'm taking the seeds for next year. I want to get more blooms out of my coneflower. I see my flower is starting to die off a little bit there, and it will eventually turn to seed like these ones, which is fine, you feed the finches, but earlier I deadheaded some of them, and it might not look the prettiest, but I'm getting more coneflowers. You can get them to bloom endlessly if you just deadhead them. I'll pick those up later and hold on to the seeds, or I could put them in my bird feeder and feed the finches. One thing I do with my coneflowers is I just shake them into any open soil I see. Later on, if the next season they start to germinate and root, then I can just transplant them. They are very, very easy to transplant. I'm not worried about them overcrowding because I can just move them. This is the laziest way to garden.